Beginning of this month, 1st July. No, 1st.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But one more this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amasaman also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amasaman also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano the meeting the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Beginning of this month, 1st July. No, 1st June. World Bank in soon a report to say Sika Omode Abreye, no a friend was our Regr3t project.
Yeah.
Disbursement to know and also a slow down. Minim se kwam was a report no.
Yeah, this has some say finance ministry and I say Sika was here the Babe man Amma.
Sika ni go ho. Sika ni go ho. I know World Bank diaba for flood mitigation. And also sika no go ho ye use sika. Ya my warning. Ghana meet you. Am I a warning? February 2026. February, March, April, May, June. 3 clear months. And na ye wo sika nso a egu ho. Eno so aye nyusu.
The big ho since 2019.
Eno so a ye nyusu. The reports covered 2025. Kwesi Pratt. I mean, can share one. I can't report in show.
The Bena project.
No. The
Bena project in 2019.
Oh, I mean, can't share it. The way I put it, me can't World Bank A not show.
No, the World Bank report is for 2025, 2026. Agreed. You are right.
Yeah.
But sir, Regr3t project.
Yeah, my warning. Ghana meet you. Am I a warning? April, May, June. 3 clear months. And na ye wo sika nso a egu ho. Metropolitan assemblies, national government, kwan ese niema ese ye ni Ghana meet you dia tudwa. Way back February 2026. And na nyamincha de World Bank so discover se mo fe ye juma ebe masa insuto eba be ye eno so a ye nyusu scan eda ho eni ama ye nkoko since
ya boy koko
ya boy nkoko na kwesi utwi de picture de na
oh by far
kwesi kasa brofo the frame from na kwesi anumre oh there so obekasa the nhwe so on fa brofo me said disbursements didn't happen in 20 bring it and let us see it. So we're having a discussion. Meme report on what World Bank is saying. Disbursement stopped 2025, 2026 because of a government wanting to achieve fiscal discipline. This is it. So if you have another reporter, Fabra Nienche, Kwesi, maybe some can report because that's a one can report in here. Me report in my country.
Anyway,
Enti Kwame, baby Atini, you have an early warning issued in February. I mean, the second early warning now, clearly pointing out what is going to happen. Say nebesi any sense so no afiwe no Besronko. Inti kwanya SSA district assemblies, metropolitan assemblies, national government, kwanya niema yeni. Ninya Ghana meet you the Atigya. Way back February 2026. Ana nyamincha de World Bank is to discover se mo fenye ye juma ebe masa isuto eba be eno nso a ye nyusu scan eda ho eni ama ye nkoko since
ya boy koko
ya boy nkoko
Udi be manko foforo unfa ma assembly unfa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for unfa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso ton so na baby shi hey who ya deal nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pratt unya ba perfect intro esa wo Pratt saka wide wo do say Pratt na na be ye bibia mo into
about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them.
How long have you been waiting?
Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Amasaman. Abani say Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever catastrophe or who got someone or who comes again. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushos in Abu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada baby.
That flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Amasaman. Abani say Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever catastrophe or who got someone or who comes again. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushos in Abu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada baby. This is Omaya baby. Said this thing by ya be one that ya be rochina.
Imagine no for 4 hours in here. Me free fear and pass 6:30. A quack I think 9 or 10. And then a quaba copa adova for Namso every day. Over quiet away so I was so do Amasaman. I was over 30 minutes. Uber do Amasaman 2 hours 30 minutes. Then I am and Okratisa, a quite a camucho from my now double for yes, young Quajuma. Negative to come away, I didn't yama. Nam taxes are Homuti and Musumusani, the Amubajina Mudi and Muda Scandia Mudi, Yenim, Munia Quanamaya. Say insurance, double for your insurance, your license. AM account, road account, Sikabia, Wamuti, whatever for still a coin. And any almost Yabemo my way. Baby, I be was here 5 city, I bet 20 cities. And also, the police in this side, no accident driver, no do. Or Chiano Pepper will be a Juma, which you bet my catcher was a Ebia, Mammy Scabadito, Ebia, battery. The government, you know, Ebia battery, no, and I said, let's know who are you, government to me, Mamma, and to be a driver for your young father, and your Quano, your demonstration, a bino, and one man, one may acquire my own way to my
Abusian. No more kwasia pam bressing ye wootino. NDC for no mobile Captain Smart passe on bet 20 TV so no one can tronya propaganda on cansim who won't dear terminal or momon bro. Omon bressing Ghana for now, they think say Captain Smart no nimiansa be. Now cano cray nunti womutieno. Omon bre Ghana for now mutie Captain Smart no. Omo no omo bread. Now you see about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually womonkwa. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasiasema Captain Smart Kotna TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya ansem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Zo na da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we ya. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look at say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abeya. It is a kind of they was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on fund free seniors who so my comfort. You see, any Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokikam Kakaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Kanum to Namkono. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a home. Chief Imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women on common to them queen in a home. Ubian Kanum to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no. Or not the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a getting invest getting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open getting. Is there anyone there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you're telling you papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are me catch you by the many members all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, mamma kinky, and mamma added a mokum. You will come here. And the Rajon the money Mamma could not if I say and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only a king and we have utilization there. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear Koya cried a menu now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no, ye former staff a man am one, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da, and Onya Juma or da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes. Now, why you post?
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.